Hello children. Today we will learn the letter J. Okay. Now did you all remember up to now how many letters we have learned? Yes, we have learned up to 9 letters. What are those 9 letters we have learned, children? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. Yes, today we will see our new letter J, and once we will go recap with all these letters. What is the sound of phonic sound of A? A sounds A, isn't it? A sounds A. Apple. Axe. B sounds B. Boy. Ball. C sounds K. Cat. Cot. D sounds D. Doll. Dog. E sounds A, not E. Remember this. E sounds A. Elephant. Egg. F sounds Fa. Fan. Fish. G sounds G. Gun. Gate. H sounds Ha. Hat. Hut. I sounds E. Remember this. I sounds E. Igloo. Ink pot. Okay. Just go go learn these phonic sounds also, children. Remember this. Okay. Now we will see the letter J. See here. This is the capital J and small j. Capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. Now, these are the 4 lines, isn't it? What is this line? Capital line, waistline, baseline, tail line. Capital line, waistline, baseline and tail line. Now we will see how we will write the capital letter J. How you will write the capital letter J? You always start from the which line? Capital line, isn't it? Now first write sleeping line. Okay, again standing line and left. This is left hook, isn't it? Okay, sleeping line, standing line and turn left. This is the capital J. Now small j also same like this only. Okay, start from the waistline. Okay, and again left turn and again small dot. Okay, this is a capital J and small j. This is a capital J, small j. Now what is the phonic sound of J? J sounds J. J sounds J. These are the pictures, okay, that will begin with the letter J. We will go through this. Here, see here. This is which picture this is? Jug. Jug. J sounds J, jug. 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 Jelly. Jelly. Jacket. Jacket. Jeep. Jeep. Jar. Jar. Okay. See, jug. Jug means J. J sound you are getting here. J means J. Okay. Jug. Here, which sound you are getting here in the jug word? Jug. So, J sounds J. Jug. Jelly. Isn't it? Jelly means jelly. J. J sounds which letter here? J. J sounds J. Okay? Jelly. Here jelly means J. J. J letter. Now again here jacket. Yes? Jacket. J. Jacket. J. J. Here jeep. J. J. Jeep. Here jar. J. J sounds which letter I told? J. So here also J. J for jar. J for jug. J for jelly. J for jacket. J for jeep. J for jar. Now see your book. That is World of Letters. Okay, and page number is 4 to 42. Okay, children, see here. These are the pictures that will begin with the letter J. Here small j was given here. Okay, first trace this letter and see the pictures. The picture, where does the pictures given? It was given inside the jar, isn't it? When you see the shape outside, it looks like jar. We already started J with jug means, jar means it will come with the which letter? Jug. So it was given inside the jug, sorry, not jar. Okay, now say here, this picture jug. Yes, jug. So right here J, jug. This picture goat. Goat means G sound is coming here. That means G, not J here. Okay, as we are getting here J sound, no, we are getting here goat. G sound we are getting. So G letter will come here. Here this picture jelly, isn't it? So jelly, J. Here this picture jacket, J sound. So J. Now here this picture jeep, J. This picture jar, J sound. So again J here. Okay, see the pictures were given inside the jug. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to color the jugs. Okay, inside the jugs the pictures were given. If you see properly, you can if you observe properly, you can see, isn't it? Now you have to color the jugs, okay, which is having the J letter. Okay, which begin with the letter J here. Pictures that will begin with the J letter jugs. You have to color it. See, this is the jug. Yes, so color this. This is the goat. Goat sounds G, isn't it? Not J. So don't color this. This one jelly, isn't it? Jelly sounds J. So J, color this. This one jacket, color this. This one jeep, again color. This one jar. So do coloring here. Here only this picture you should not color because it will begin with the which letter here? What is the picture here? Goat. Goat begins with which letter? G. So don't color this one. Okay, rest all jugs you have to color this. Color it. Now see here, you have to draw here the picture that will begin with the letter J. And you have to trace this, okay, and write down here. One more time, children. This is the letter J, isn't it? Letter J we have learned now. So J sounds, what is the phonic sound of J? J sounds J. J sounds J. J. J, jug. J, jelly. J, jacket. ja, jeep, ja, jar. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.